Hello everyone, welcome in this lecture on finding particular integral using shortcut method. Basically, we are focusing on when we are having f of x equal to x raised to m or polynomial x or algebraic function. Now look at this theoretical part. If we are having f of x equal to x raised to m or polynomial in x or algebraic function, then we have to follow these 4 steps. In the step number 1, we have to take the constant term or lowest degree term common from the denominator, so that denominator will take the form either 1 plus x or 1 minus x. Here, by using the binomial expansion, that is 1 upon 1 plus x equal to series 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus and so on, and 1 upon 1 minus x equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on, we can simplify the given expression. Before that, we have to find out d. D stands for derivative of f of x. D square means double derivative of f of x, and so on till we get the derivative equal to 0. Use it in above simplified form in step number 2, and we have to simplify it again to get required particular integral. Now look at the examples. To find out the particular integral of differential equation, d cube y upon dx cube plus 8y equals to x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. These 4 options are provided. By definition of the particular integral, we have 1 upon d cube plus 8 operating on x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. As it is polynomial in x, we have to take lowest degree term common from the denominator. Here lowest degree term or constant term, that is 8 is present here. Therefore, I can take 8 common from the denominator, and therefore denominator takes the form of 1 plus d cube upon 8. Now by using the binomial series, 1 upon 1 plus x is equal to what we have? It is equal to 1 minus x plus x square and so on, right? Now here you can see the value of x is d cube upon 8 can be substituted in this right hand side. Therefore, here we are having this term 1 upon 8, 1 minus d cube upon 8 plus and so on. As we know, the fourth order derivative of this x raised to 4 will be constant, and remaining all higher order derivatives are 0. Therefore, I have just written the term up to d cube only. Now just find out the derivative of given polynomial, that is x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. Its first derivative is 4x cube plus 2. Second derivative is what? 12x square. Third derivative is 24x, and fourth derivative is 24. All remaining higher order derivatives from fifth order to nth order are 0. Therefore, using it in this expression, we have yp is equals to 1 upon 8 into multiply this bracket inside the bracket to each of the term. Therefore, 1 multiplied by this bracket is this term as it is, that is x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. The value of the third order derivative is 24x. Therefore, here we get minus 24x upon 8. And all remaining terms are equal to 0. Now, simplifying this expression, we get yp equal to 1 upon 8, x raised to 4 minus x plus 1. Therefore, correct option is D option. Now look at the next example. In the next example, again, we have to find out the particular integral of differential equation d square minus d plus 1 operating on y equal to 3x square minus 1. Let us consider here yp is equal to 1 upon d square minus d plus 1 operating on this 3x square minus 1. Here we have already 1 is present in the denominator. Therefore, we just rearrange the given denominator in the form of 1 plus d square minus d, that is operating on 3x square minus 1. By using expansion of 1 upon 1 plus x, that is equal to 1 minus x plus x square and so on, we have this step. Here we know that when we are having the square term, that is 3x square minus 1, we have to write down the term up to the square only. Now simplify the square. Here we have d square minus d whole square, which can be expanded as d raised to 4 minus 2d cube plus d square. Now see, here minus d square plus d square get cancelled, and just finding the derivative of 3x square minus 1, we have first derivative equal to 6x, second derivative equal to 6, third derivative equal to 0, and fourth derivative. All remaining higher order derivatives become 0. Now using it in above form, Now see, when we multiply 3x square minus 1 inside the bracket, 1 multiplied by 3x square minus 1 become 3x square minus 1. The derivative, d stands for derivative of this 3x square minus 1 is 6x. D raised to 4 value is 0. D cube value is equal to 0. Therefore, we have these terms. And finally, we get particular integral yp equal to 3x square plus 6x minus 1. Therefore, correct option is C option. Now look at this third example. Now here you have to find out a particular integral of d cube plus 3d square minus 4 operating on y equals to x square. According to the definition of the particular integral, it is equals to 1 upon d cube plus 3d square minus 4 operating on x square. Once again, here we have to take the constant term common. The constant term here is minus 4. When I take minus 4 common from the denominator, in place of minus 1, we get a 1. And the remaining two terms are not having minus 4. Therefore, we have to divide it by minus 4. Now, again, by using the formula of 1 upon 1 plus x, we have the series expansion as 1 minus x plus an x square and so on. Right? Find out derivative of x square. Here we have d of x square equal to 2x. Second derivative becomes 2, and third and all higher order derivative becomes equal to 0. Using these derivatives in the above expression, when I multiply this x square inside the bracket, 1 multiplied by x square become x square, d cube of x square is 0, d square of x square equals to 2. Therefore, what we get here, minus of 3 multiplied by 2 upon minus 4. Minus minus become plus 4, and 2 to the 4. Therefore, your particular integral yp equal to minus 1 by 4 x square plus 3 by 2. Therefore, correct option is A option. Now consider the next example. Here, to find out a particular integral of the differential equation, d raised to 4 plus 25y operating on y equal to x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1. We can rearrange according to the definition of the particular integral as yp equals to 1 upon d raised to 4 plus 25 operating on x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1. Taking the constant term common from the denominator, we have taken 25 common. Therefore, denominator takes the form of 1 plus d raised to 4 upon 25. Using the series expansion of 1 upon 1 plus x, we have this term as 1 minus d raised to 4 upon 25 plus and so on, that is operating on x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1. Now it's time to find out the derivatives. The first order derivative of the given polynomial is 4x cubed plus 2x. Second order derivative becomes 12x square plus 2. Third order derivative is 24x. Fourth order derivative is 24. And all the remaining higher order derivatives becomes equal to 0. Now using the values of all these derivatives in this expression, we get yp is equal to 1 upon 25. Multiply this term inside the bracket, we have x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1 minus d raised to 4. Fourth order derivative of this term is 24. Therefore, we have minus 24 upon 25. Now, 1 minus 24 upon 25 becomes 1 upon 25. Therefore, the correct option is D option. Thank you. Thank you for watching.